Well, hello there and welcome to the AKIS Studios apartments here in Alykes Zakynthos. I thought we would just take the opportunity to show you around the apartment facilities, show you what the studios have got to offer, and also show you their location. So let's go. So in terms of location, the AKIS Studios apartments are at the back of the salt flats in Alykes. Now, if you're familiar with Alykes, you'll know where I mean. So that's the salt flats. So as we spin round, the entrance to the AKIS Studios apartments are just there. So in terms of its location, it's ideal. It's about a 10-minute walk down into the town, and there are two ways you can go. So you can come out the apartments and head that way, down past the little supermarket, and that'll take you down to the main road. Or if you prefer, just up here there is a track that leads through the centre of the salt flats, and as you can see there are some people walking down that way, and that's probably an easier access to get down to the beach. Like I say, you're only 10 minutes from the resort centre and you're only, well, 10 minutes to the beach. So the entrance to the studios are just off this main road here, and you walk down this pathway which will take you down to the reception area, the bar area, the pool and all the apartments. Nearly went then. So yeah, just through that little pathway will bring you to the main area of the apartments. And straight ahead there you can see the bar area, the reception area is there also. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, all right?
You okay?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Clinic.
Yeah. Somebody has to do it, don't they?
I'm no English, legal English.
Have a good day.
Bye bye.
So it has a nice large pool area with very comfortable sunbeds, I must say, and brollies obviously. There are some nice sort of swing beds there you can see, and another swing bed just over there. A little kiddies play park with a slide and some swings, and obviously a children's pool there also. So just going back to the location of the apartments that we're staying at, very quiet, lovely sort of quiet area. You're away from the main strip of Alykes, and you've got this fantastic view at the back of the apartments. Take a look at this. Fancy waking up to that every morning. Fantastic view. Do you want to get in? It's lovely and cool. Right, so in terms of the actual accommodation itself, the studios is made up of 4 different blocks. There are 2 blocks that overlook the pool, and there are 2 blocks that have balconies that overlook the garden area. So we're going to show you our room now, take you a little tour of the room. So as we head up, there's one of the accommodation blocks is there. Now we're actually in this one here, and we're in room 17, which is up a flight of stairs. Actually, you get quite a nice view from up here as well of the salt flats. Right, so we're in room 17. We'll take you in and show you around. So, as I say, they are very functional studios. We were allocated a twin room, 2 single beds. That will lead you out to the balcony, which I'll show you in a minute. You've got a little bit of a dressing area there with a socket at the side if you've got a hairdryer or straighteners or anything else you need to use. This side of the room, there's a very nice large wardrobe, and there is your kitchen area, which has 2 hobs, and it has all the crockery and utensils that you'll need. Decent sized fridge with a nice freezer compartment, toaster and kettle, and you've also got quite a nice sort of modern bathroom, which has a very nice walk-in shower. Hello, you'll see me. Hello, hi there. So a nice sort of walk-in shower. It's got one of those rain shower heads on. It's very good. There's plenty of hot water. We've not had any issues with hot water. Hairdryer. I always wonder why they put a socket in the bathroom. You'd never get that back home, would you? So yeah, again, very functional. Glass door. One thing it does lack a little bit is power sockets. In the actual studio itself here, you've got one by the side of the dressing area. There's obviously one by the kitchen area, and there's one just there on the wall as you walk in. So if you've got a few, devices that need to be kept charged, you might want to consider bringing maybe one of those 3-way extension leads. Might be worth it. For us it's okay, it's fine. There's more than enough to keep all my devices charged. So one of the other things I noticed that was missing, it's not essential, but some people do like it, and that's a TV. There's no TV in the room. So if you're one of these people that like to lay in bed and watch maybe the news or some foreign language channels, sorry, no TVs. In terms of storage, plenty of storage. You've got 3 sets of drawers there by the mirror unit. You've got plenty of storage within the wardrobe. I'll just show you. There's a couple of extra drawers down there, plenty of shelving space inside. Plenty of hangers if you forget to bring any. And then at the side of each of the beds, there's some bedside cabinets with a couple of drawers on each. So there's plenty of storage, not a problem with storage at all. Right, just have a little pop out onto the balcony now, shall we? So you've got yourself a nice little seating area there, a couple of chairs and a nice table, and it's a decent sized balcony. Excuse the washing. In fact, I'll show you that because that's quite handy. Somewhere to dry your clothes. In fact, I noticed this earlier on, they've got a bit of a clothesline here as well. So if you do bring some pegs with you, you can hang your washing out. And you've got like a semi-view of the pool area and the mountains in the background. So what's my honest opinion of the AKIS apartments here in Alykes? Well, they score very highly with me. The studio apartments are basic, but they're very functional. The pool area is very nice and it's always kept spotlessly clean. There are plenty of sunbeds around the pool also. Little children's pool, as you see as well, so for the little kiddies. Nice bar area, you can get snacks and drinks there, and the staff are extremely friendly and really do look after you. In terms of its location, well, like I said earlier, it's a 10-minute walk into the town and also a 10-minute walk down to the beach. It's all flat, so there's no hills, there's no struggling with walking if you've got mobility issues. It's a nice steady stroll. Would I recommend the AKIS apartments? Absolutely.